We've been at work in Haiti for more than 30 years because we started in 1984 officially in this country, providing housing solutions to the families in need. We delivered prior to the quake more than 2,000 solutions with a revolving fund program. As you can understand, after the quake, families have lost almost everything. The traditional model that we used to apply didn't fit the reality. Cento is an area located in Leogane. Leogane was the epicenter of the earthquake. It's the place that we have chosen to deliver an holistic integrated village after the quake, where we delivered 300 houses with livelihood and some economic assistance program.
When my family moved here, our health improved because the tent we had been living in was so hot that we couldn't breathe. Sometimes it was cold at night and the tarp leaked and water fell on us. Now that doesn't happen anymore. A Haitian proverb says, "The kids of today are the adults of tomorrow. In the future, my children will replace me." If Habitat continues to work with us, I think we can continue to grow and improve and be successful in the future.
Samoa is a community of 6,000 families where the basic infrastructure didn't exist. Today, we are proud to say 650 homes have been repaired and retrofitted. So today, Samoa is well known as a renovated community because of the work that we have done.
The earthquake was very strong. All of my walls were cracked and everything inside was destroyed. The area had many problems. Many people were in need, and like me, they couldn't do anything about it. Habitat helped us make the repairs. Habitat's project has been a huge help for us in the area.
One of the gaps that we discovered after the quake is lack of skill. We train youth people in masonry, carpentry, plumbing, and electricity. And we train more than 5,000 of people.
I received training in the field of paraseismic construction. During the training, we had a seminar on gender equity and another one on how to look for jobs. The training helped me a lot. It taught me how to build better. With the skills we learned, we are able to take better care of our families.
We did significant progress, but the work is far from over. Today we are working on a long-term vision, and Canaan is the new area we need to intervene for the next 3 to 5 years. Technical assistance, working with government, working with partners, advocate for land rights in Haiti are some key topics on which we would like to put our efforts over the years to come. We came from a long distance, and what we are contemplating today is so encouraging. I think with perseverance, we can see more and more in Haiti.